Hi love! Back with me, DJ Lala, para sa ating programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso. Now it's time para pagbigyan ng isa nating kabisyong nag-send ng kanyang problema. This one was sent to us over at our Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. This is our Byahe Sender of the night. Kaya sa mga kabisyo natin na gustong maging Byahe Sender, then you can send your messages sa aking Facebook, DJ Lala Banderas, or you may text me sa ating Byahe Textline 0917-851-4329. So this is it, Pansit. Basahin na natin ang ating Byahe Sender of the night. Ito ang biyahe ni Lex. Hi DJ Lala, good evening po sa inyo. I am a lesbian. I have a girlfriend and we are on a 10-year relationship. Before I continue, I just want to say hello DJ Lala. Ngayon lang kita narinig kasi lagi akong nakatune in pag morning till afternoon lang. And how you give advice hits me hard. Ang galing mo po. Sobrang on point and my sense. That's why it's my first time to seek an advice like this. Parang ang talino ko naman. So eto na nga. Itago mo na lang po ako sa name na Lex. As what I've said, I'm on a 10-year live-in relationship with my girlfriend. OFW kami for how many years, and now 3 years na kaming nakabalik dito sa Pilipinas. We started businesses and fortunately, stable and successful ang mga business namin. That's why we are living a good life. Not to brag, but we have our own 2-story house, 1 car, 1 van, 2-bedroom condominium, and 3 businesses. Not to brag. Not to brag. Pero okay lang yon. Gusto ko yan. You are proud of your achievements. Kasi love, pinagpaguran nila yan, di ba? Pinaghirapan nila yan. So, it's good. It's not bragging. It's actually trying to inspire other people kumbaga, how your efforts will turn out if nagpatuloy kang magsikap. Or anyway, moving forward, kaya nasa stage na rin kami of planning to adopt a child or undergo IVF. Everything is doing well since we came back here in our country until recently. Naging rough ang pagsasama namin. Parang nagkaroon siya ng depression sa personal life niya. She's adopted and nakilala niya na ang totoong mother niya. After that, naging malungkutin at iyakin siya. Hindi niya kasi tanggap lahat kahit na ilang taon niya nang alam na adopted siya. Ang idagdag pa natin ang pagiging toxic ng relationship namin dahil sa selos. Or maybe dahil sa stress namin sa maraming responsibilities na meron kami. Dumadating siya sa point na sinasabi niya sa akin na nag-less daw ang love niya para sa akin. Masakit, pero wala naman akong plan itali siya sa akin in case ma-fall out of love na siya. Sabi nila, magaling ako magbigay ng advice. Pero ngayon, I admit, I'm really hopeless and helpless. I really do love her. Kahit na madalas masungit at bugnutin siya. Marami na kaming naging pangarap na naabot na naming magkasama. Legal kami sa both families namin and masaya naman kami since then. Pero ngayon, sobrang natatakot na ako. I'm not sure pero parang nade-depress siya sa maraming bagay. Hindi ko alam kung nakadadagdag ba ako kasi yun ang nafe-feel ko. I really don't know what to do, DJ Lala. God knows I don't want to lose her. Pero paano ba ang gagawin ko? Thank you for taking time to read my message and more power to your show po. Hi Lex! First of all, thank you for sending in your story sa ating Byahe Sender of the night. I understand na siguro hindi lang natin alam yung magnitude ng pain sa kanya to know the truth. Even if kasi patagalin mo yan, when the truth creeps in every single time na maaalala mo siya, hindi natin alam yung magnitude ng pain na yon sa kanya. Kasi siguro feeling niya it's part of who she is. Pagkatao niya yun eh. Pagkakakilanlan niya yun. So, kumbaga yung pundasyon ng pagkatao niya, yun kasi yung narak with the truth na nalaman niya. So, sabi ko nga sa'yo, we don't know how much pain she is in. All we can do is be there for her because you know well in fact that she needs you. Now, I understand na masakit kapag naririnig mo siyang magsalita ng mga bagay-bagay. Like, for example, feeling niya less na yung pagmamahal niya sa'yo. And it's good na binibigyan mo ng rational reasons yung mga bagay na sinasabi niya. Kumbaga, hindi ka nagpapadala sa emosyon, hindi ka nagiging balat sibuyas, you're using your head in order to make sense out of the words na nanggagaling sa kanya. Kasi those are words of pain sa totoo lang. When you are in pain, in so much pain, nakapagsasalita ka ng mga bagay na one, hindi mo na pinag-iisipan, kasi nga impulsive ka na yung reasoning mo, yung weighing scale mo of good and bad, right and wrong, off the charts. Kumbaga, it's not even balanced anymore at you don't care what the outcome would be kasi yung emotions mo ay getting the best of you. And she is so lucky to have a partner like you who is trying to understand, who is trying na intindihin yung rational reason as to why nasasabi yon. And siguro nga at this moment in time, all you have to do is endure. All you can do actually is endure kung ano man yung sinasabi niya. Lagi mo na lang muna i-blame to sa pain. Siguro mapag-uusapan nyo kasi yan at malalaman mo yung core ng totoo sa hindi when she is no longer in pain. When she is no longer full with anger, when she is no longer emotional, when she is no longer sensitive. Kasi right now, her emotions are too high to make sense of it all. And you cannot do it for her kasi you cannot assume. Hindi ka naman pwedeng mag-draw ng conclusions sa nakikita mo lang kasi that will be unfair. Kasi nga, again, she is in pain. Alam mo naman siguro yung capabilities niya of loving you. Yung sabi mo nga, di ba, ang dami nyo ng pangarap dalawa na tinupad ninyong dalawa. I don't think na sa dami-dami ng nagawa ninyo, ng success and milestone na napagtagumpayan ninyo together, I don't think she will risk it all just because one day nagising siya and there's so much pain in her heart. I don't think na hahayaan niyang mawala lahat ng yon at mauwi sa wala dahil lang one day nagising siya, ang sakit-sakit ng dibdib niya. She doesn't understand what she feels right now. And this is the moment when she needs you the most. Sabihin na natin, it will take her quite some time to get over the fact or the truth na siya ay adopted child. We may not understand as to why it would matter to her. Kasi sa totoo lang, whether or not yung nanay niya, ang totoong nanay niya, napalaki naman siya ng tama naging okay naman siya. She turned out to be a beautiful woman with a strong heart who is capable of achieving great heights. Kumbaga kung iisipin mo, wala siyang natanggap na news ngayon that can ever change kung sino siya at kung ano yung naging siya for the years na nabuhay siya dito sa earth. Pero that is our take on it. Hindi natin alam yung magnitude nito sa kanya. So give her some time to heal. Give her some time to grieve. Give her some time to be angry. She needs to feel all that and she deserves to feel all that not because masama siyang tao but because she is a person. She deserves the time to feel it kasi she is a person and she deserves to be understood dahil she's going through it kasi she is a person you love. Nagigets mo ko, Lex? This is the time na mas kailangan ka niya. Ito yung para sa kanya rock bottom niya. Ito yung pinakamahirap lagpasan na state ng buhay niya. And she needs you now more than ever. What I suggest ay you have the money, you have the means, you have the resources. Take her someplace that she will feel free. She will feel relaxed. Just the two of you. Take her out. Go on adventures together. You've been working for how many years ng buhay ninyo? You've been working to build whatever it is na meron kayo ngayon. Now, it's time for you to take a rest, take a break, kayong dalawa, and just, enjoy. enjoy life. Dalhin mo siya sa mga sceneries that can give her a moment. Like for example, sa beach, o diba? O kaya naman, sabihin na natin sa mountains, sa mga private resort ba yan? Mga private places na merong view na magaganda, na tahimik, na detached from social media muna. Yung mga ganito, this could help her heal. This could help her figure out whatever it is na nararamdaman niya. Give her a time to reboot. Hindi kasi siya robot, my love She cannot go back to the way it used to be, na parang walang nangyari. Na magpa-function lang siya at magpaparami lang siya ng pera at atupagin niya lang yung business niya. Hindi niya kayang i-divert right now yung attention and emotion niya. She needs a different one. She needs peace. Kaya mo yung ibigay sa kanya. Money is worthless. Kung ang kapalit nun ay may re-reboot mo siya. Mabibigyan mo siya ng panahon para maghilom. Mabibigyan mo siya ng panahon para maging okay. Mabibigyan nyo ng panahon ng isa't isa para ma-in love ulit sa isa't isa. Sometimes kasi work can do that to you. When you overwork yourself, when you focus so much energy, focus so much of your time to building your dreams, nakakalimutan mong i-enjoy yung life itself. Nakakalimutan mo na living is not about building a future. Living is taking this moment and making the most out of it. I think that's what you need. You and her. Lalong-lalo na siya. Of all the time ng buhay ninyo, ngayon niya to kailangan. So give her that because you can. And para naman sa'yo, my love, just hang on. You have something great here. You have a great partner. It's just that she is in pain. And the partner that you are seeing now is not really the partner you fell in love with. Masakit lang. Nasaktan lang siya. And she doesn't know how to heal that on her own. She needs help, but she cannot ask for it. She doesn't feel okay, but she cannot blame you for it because she has no one to blame to. Wala siyang masisi sa nararamdaman niya because she doesn't know how to deal with it. So again, my love, I know you've been trying to understand her for so many times and for so long, but I need you to do it more. I need you to do it just a little more. Kasi feeling ko she'll get through it. She'll get through it, my love. You just have to believe that she can and she will. And once na umalis siya doon sa dark hole kung nasan siya, once na nakalagpas siya doon sa dark tunnel na pinagdadaanan niya and nakita ka niya sa dulo, naghihintay pa rin sa kanya, or sa dulo, hawak mo pa rin yung kamay niya dahil inaakay mo siya palabas ng tunnel, your love will be even greater for each other. Tandaan mo, my love, the reason as to why I'm believing on this, kasi yung binuo ninyong dalawa, yung little empire na meron ka, ay hindi naman pang ngayon lang. Hindi yan plano na panandalian ng purpose. Yan ay plano pang matagalan. It's a house, my love. Building a house for someone or building a house with someone means more than just panandalian. It means pang matagalan. Naintindihan mo ko, my love? So please, if you are listening to me right now, just hold on a little more. Hindi lang niya kaya mag-cope mag-isa. But please do not leave her. She is not fine, she is not okay, but she still loves you. Mahal ka pa rin niya. Although sinasabi niyang minsan hindi, or minsan nababawasan na yon, do not believe in her. Kasi she doesn't know how she feels. Right now, she is in no perfect state to decide kung ano yung nararamdaman niya. So, just be patient, my love. I know she is worth the wait. Naintindihan mo ako? I hope I'm helping you, Lex, and I'm hoping na somehow I'm giving you the strength you need para tulungan yung partner mong makalabas dyan sa dark tunnel na meron siya. Kasi I hope may mga partners out there that wouldn't let go of your hand just because it's uncomfortable, just because inconvenient yung relationship. I hope kapag may mga time na pareho kayo nahihirapan or may mga time na yung isa ay dumadaan sa hindi magandang sitwasyon or meron siyang pinagdadaanan personally, I hope yung isa kumapit. I hope you choose to love each other despite dun sa dark tunnel na pinagdadaanan niya. Kasi that's how you maintain a relationship. That's how you make a relationship last. Choosing each other over and over again despite and in spite of the situation. Do not love each other just because it's comfortable, just because it's convenient. Mahalin niyo yung isa't isa, even dun sa darkest times, sa lowest low, even dun sa rock bottom. And you'll see na yung love na yan that you have is worth every tear and worth every pain. I guarantee you that. Okay?